Yoga teacher training 2020 at Raw has been a journey for me of self-reflection. I find that if you're just cruising around in life and you're unsure of where you're heading or what you want to do, this allows you to evaluate your why and just allows you to just sit with your thoughts, devise a bit of a plan, and then work on the best version of you moving forward in the future. Connections you make, the network you make is incredible, and knowing that today, after we all qualify, we can move forward with these tools and become the best version of ourselves is incredible. Sign up.